Hello and welcome to this chakra meditation series. This is our fourth video of this chakra meditation series. If you are new to this video, it's okay. You can watch this. But again, go back to the last three videos uploaded in the same channel and watch them and practice them first to get to know that what are the other three chakras. Again, if you are new to this channel, if you don't know me, hi, I am Sudeshna. I'm a mindset coach and healer, and I help people to get emotional freedom. What is emotional freedom? How you can be benefited by being emotional freedom master. If you want to know more, there is a link, WhatsApp group link in the description. You can join there and then attend my next webinar where I will tell you the 3 secrets to change your emotion without changing anything outside, because every emotion you want to feel is inside you. Chakra meditation is one of the way to activate your inner emotions. So now let's talk about heart chakra. If you don't know anything about chakras and if you're very new to this system, that part of chakra meditation, I would suggest first watch the first video. So chakras are basically the energy centers, and heart chakra, by the name itself, you understand that heart chakra is situated in between our chest and where the heart and lungs is there. So this chakra is also having its own neuron. It has its own intelligence because neuron is also attached. It has its own gland, thymus gland, which is actually responsible for your immunity. If you have low immunity, if you are emotionally, you are not feeling secure, like you are not feeling enough love in your life, you are always feeling anger, like irritated, you are blaming others for not loving you, so then that means your heart chakra is blocked. And when you unblock, when you balance your heart chakra, you will start feel love without any reason. And that has happened many of my community members. So if you want to experience the same thing, stay tuned till the end of the video and subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. So now the next question is, what happens when your heart chakra get activated? So basically, heart chakra being in the middle of all the chakras. So we have 7 chakras, right? So below heart chakra, there are 3 chakras: root chakra, sacral chakra, and solar plexus. Then heart chakra, and above there is your thyroid, like this. What is that called? Our throat chakra. Yes, sorry. So throat chakra, then third eye chakra, and crown chakra. So in between these 7 chakras, heart chakra is middle of all those chakras. So it has been known that the below 3 chakras are responsible for your survival. So you have come to this earth, and our survival instincts are very important, right? Not now, but maybe a few thousand years ago, we need to have a very, very high survival instinct to stay alive. But right now, still the inside system is still same. So the end 3 chakra, the first 3 chakras are responsible for your survival instinct. The more it is getting balanced, you will feel more grounded. What is the mean of grounded? Grounded means, think about a tree. If the tree is deep rooted, that means it will not move from the soil even if there is a very high thunderstorm or whatever it is. The tree will feel secure even when the storm is coming. But think about a very small tree whose roots are not yet reached in the very deep level. Whenever that tree feel that there is a storm coming, it will feel a fear. The same thing happened to us. So if you are a person who have a lot of fear instinct, like every now and then you feel fear, that means the last 3 chakras are not balanced, and heart chakra is also not balanced. So it's very, very important for all of us to work for our chakras. It's so important that if you just work on your chakras, and if your chakras are getting aligned, you can live life medicine free like I am doing. But the problem is most people can't be that regular in practice. And that is why I practice with my community member every day from 8:30 to 9 p.m. 4 days a week, live sessions, and there are more than hundreds, 120 recorded session. From there also you can practice as per your convenience. So if you are ready, it's only 1,000 rupees per month. It's like the value you are going to get. Live sessions, live healing sessions, it's unimaginable. If you really want to join my paid sessions, there is a link again the WhatsApp group. You can join the WhatsApp community and ask for the payment link in the admin group, admin numbers. So thank you so much once again. Now let's do how you can balance your heart chakra. So again, sit straight, keep your hand like this mudra and take deep breath 4 to 5 times first. And then focus on your heart chakra, focus on your heart. And when you feel the heartbeat, when you focus there, the more energy flows there, because then you are putting your mind on heart chakra. As you know that where we put our focus, our mind goes there. And now when you put all your focus on your heart chakra, then you can say, you can chant this mantra, yum, Y-A, yum, yum. Anyway, you can just chant it 4 to 5 times. And then say the affirmation, I love myself the way I am, and I accept myself the way I am. I love others the way they are. I accept others the way they are. And I can guarantee, if you practice this meditation for the next 30 days, you will come and tell me how it is going to change your life. But again, I am telling, being consistent is very difficult. 95 or more than 98% people don't get that success because they are not able to do consistently. Initial first 10-15 days, you will feel nothing is happening. Why I am doing? But people who get that success, they keep on doing. And I can guarantee, if you be that person, your life is going to change. Your love life is going to change. Your feeling of love, secure, everything is going to change. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Again, like I said, I'm going to give you a surprise. So if you join this WhatsApp group, you can ask the admin number about a free meditation session. And I'm going to offer a group of like 6-7 free healing and meditation sessions pack, which cost 1,999. I am going to offer you free of cost, but this offer is very limited time. I don't know if you are watching this video later on than the upload time, then I don't know whether this offer is still valid or not, but still you can join the WhatsApp community and check with the admin number if the offer is still valid or not. And I can tell you, by practicing healing and meditations, you will feel the way you want to feel. And that's my promise of emotional freedom, because I believe we are what we feel. With this, I'm ending this session. Again, remember, this is the fourth chakra. There are other 3 chakras remaining: throat chakra, third eye chakra, and crown chakra. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, because again, here you are getting free of cost this knowledge, which is priceless, because it is going to change your life. Thank you so much once again if you are already part of my YouTube family. Bye bye.